Hi, I'm Connie. Welcome to my channel, Connie from Up North. Today, I'm so excited because I went out to the mailbox and ta-da! My Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is here. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. I think this is my favorite day of the month when my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus comes. Without further ado, let's jump in here. Not everything's able to fit in the bag this month. Oh, I've actually been really excited about this bag this month getting here, so I'm not gonna lie, I am. I'm very thrilled. Look, first of all, look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? I never have a good use for these bags. I'm sure I'll find some good uses for these bags, but yeah, I can never find a good use for them. So if you have any ideas, tell me down below. What do you do with them? Let's get in here. Wild Beauty. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive, afresh, manny, botanical, skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. So, and then on the inside, Hipster Fave brands that begin with Mom. So it's got a little information there. Now, if you're wondering what the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag is, it's a monthly subscription. You pay $28 a month. You get to choose 3 of your items, and they'll choose, according to a profile that you fill out, 2 items for you. So I really like it. I look forward to it. Let's get in here. I'm just going to reach for the first product. Okay, this is a product that Ipsy actually chose for me. It's called Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. And that's what the outside of the packaging looks like. It's actually pretty heavy. So it's 1.69 fluid ounces. We'll open this up. Nice packaging. Give it the sniff test. It's sealed. Oh, it smells. It's very delicate. It has a very delicate, nice scent. And then let's see, that's what it's like kind of a gelled cream. And I'll rub that in. Feels very nice. Absorbs very nicely into the skin. It's already absorbing. Oh yeah, that feels very nice. I'm happy to get that. I'm happy to get that. Very much so. Okay, we'll move that over here. I sure am glad you joined me today. What did you get in your Ipsy bag? I want to know. The next product that we have here is the Cella. Very nice packaging. That's the Good Drama mascara in black. I can always use mascaras. I'm a natural lash kind of girl. But I'm going to try to do some falsies. I think next week I might give it a whirl. I've been watching my sunshine sister, Shannon Carroll's, she's got a video uploaded. I'll tag that down below on how to actually apply the falsies, so the lashes. So I'll tag that down below, and I think I might just actually use that and try it one day. So that's what that looks like on the outside. I'm not going to open that because your makeup, it does have an expiration date, and sometimes it's good to put a little dot on there to say when that, especially if you take it out of the packaging, put a little dot on there, color code it to let you know when that's going to expire. That's very important. I've had an eye infection from using makeup that was too old. I thought, oh, it's okay to use this mascara. No, it wasn't. So be careful about that. Watch the expiration dates on your products. Be good to yourself. The next product out that I'm going to pull out is the Pout Clout Lipstick. Rich Plumping Lip Color. And that's what that looks like there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, and that's what and it's got the magnetic closure. Very nice. That is from Complex Culture. Very pretty color. Very rich. That'll be a nice color. Okay. Oh, and you know what? Oh, it's got such a nice smell, like a vanilla-like smell. I love it. I just caught a waft of it. Yes, please. Like that. And here's another. Context. Again, with the vanilla scent, and it's just a little bit lighter. Let's see what that looks. Oh, I love it. I love that. That's going to have a nice natural look. I'm going to be doing a no makeup look with a collaboration, and that would be, and see, that one's just a little bit darker. How nice. And then I have one more lippy. This is the month of lippies, plus other fun stuff. And this one is, oh yes, Dewtube. I really, really like these lip glosses in these. Oh my gosh, that's a stunning color. I'm in love. Love at first sight. Look at that. Nice and shiny. That's so pretty. No real scent. I've been waiting for this. This is the Maddie Earth Tones Eyes and Face Palette. So that's what the packaging looks like. That's pretty. And you know, this is a nice compact size. So if you want to take something on a vacation or overnight, or keep it in, oh, these are stunning. Or keep it in your bag. So you've got some glitters up there. It looks like one matte, one glitter, or one matte, two shimmers, and one glitter shade up there on top. And they come in Desert Opal, Canyon Ruby. Oh, that's so pretty. Matte Copper and Bengal Bronze. Look at those. And then right here, this is Terra Rose and Moon Glow for that's a highlighter shade, and there's a nice blush. So why don't we just try these on? I'm going to be using the new mirror that Alice Loves Being a Grammie sent me. A wonderful gift. I'm so excited about this. I love my new mirror. Here's another product that I received. And these are the Summer Silver Marble Brush Set. Oh, aren't those beautiful? Look at the marbling on them. There's 8 of them. Check that out in a minute. Let's check out this eyeshadow on this face palette first. Glasses off. So I'm going to use this first color here. I've already put some foundation on. I've already put on my foundation. I've done my brows a little bit. Yeah, I can see them. I think that it's turning out nice. And that first color that I went to was that light one. Now I'm going to go in for the medium shade for my crease. I'm really liking how these are going on. Very, very nicely pigmented. Very blendable. I'll go in with that gold. See how that goes on. I have this convenient magnified part of the mirror that I loved so much that really helps. Wow, those really apply nice. A bit of fallout. Now let's put this on the outside corner. Yeah, that glitters tend to fall out a little bit. So as quickly as I'm putting it on here, I'm not going to be mad at it. Take that and blend it real nice. Oh yeah, I actually like those a lot. I think they're real pretty. Blend it a little bit more up here. Blend those colors in. Well, I'm very happy to add this to my makeup collection for sure. That's going to be a very nice look for the summer here. Now, how about if we try this blush out? This color right here. Put a little bit like Lori Latimer taught me, X's. Put little X's, cross hatches on the cheeks. Not straight up. Cross hatch. Oh, that is, I can see this being a go-to, an everyday go-to, or keep it in my, definitely in my makeup bag. Or in my handbag. I'm gonna go ahead and try that highlighter. I can see it. A little bit down my nose. Oh, I think this is a very pretty palette. Very pretty. So that's the palette I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. How about a nice lippy? That is the perfect color. That is absolutely the perfect color to go with these. Okay, let me go put some eyeliner on and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I went and I applied some mascara and some eyeliner, and I have to say, I am very pleased. I can see this being one of my everyday go-to palettes because it's got my blush, it's got my highlighter, it's got some colors in there that are really nice. They applied very well. They blended nicely, and I'm really pleased with them. Another product that I received was this stunning brush set. And I've got 4 sizes of face brushes here. And as you can see, they're all individually wrapped inside the package. And then they're the pretty marbly looking. So we've got 4 face brushes, and we also have 4 of the eye brushes in the same pattern. Let's unwrap it and feel how it feels. Very nice. Oh, I love these. I can already tell you right now, I love these. So all in all, Ipsy, 2 thumbs up this month. I'll tell you what, I was pleased with everything I got. There wasn't one thing that I got that I won't use or that I can't use, and that didn't apply really well. And I got to use my new mirror that Lynn Loves Being a Grammie sent me, and I just want to say, be on the lookout for us on May 23rd. We'll be having the Sunshine Sisters live talk show, and we're going to be celebrating Shannon's birthday. Yay! So May 23rd at 6 p.m. on Eastern time. So what'd you get in your Ipsy bag? Make sure you tell me. I want to know. I care. And if I hear about any spoilers, I'll be sure to let you know. So until next time, be good to yourself. Self-care is important. It's a gift to you from you.